This beautiful Joseph G. Popper & Son custom-built home is being sold by the original owner. Avalon's gorgeous beach is just a block east from this home's front door. Unique features of this home include buried utility lines, 2x6 exterior insulated walls, rounded drywall corner bead walls with architectural arches separating areas of the home, a second floor deck hose bib, and a second floor deck natural gas line for grilling. Never rented, this lovingly maintained property has a new 14 Seer energy efficient dual zone HVAC system and a security and fire alarm system which were installed in 2019. Other recent updates include new carpet in the second floor bedrooms, stainless steel appliances, maintenance-free composite decking and trim, and PVC aluminum core railings. Shopping and dining amenities located in Avalon's charming business district are just a bike ride away. Grace O'Brien Park is located just 2 blocks west of this property where fields, courts, and a playground are available for year-round use, with a luxurious second-floor master suite with a Steamist shower sauna and a heated Pearl Whirlpool tub. This home has 5 bedrooms, one of which is currently being used as a spacious family room and office. There are water valve access points smartly hidden in several of the first floor closets. A list of additional amenities is available upon request. There is a first floor ensuite bedroom and bathroom. This property has room to grow, with an attic that is framed at full height and an option to build a 3rd floor on the rear of the home. There is also space for a pool in the backyard. This well-appointed home is ready for you to relax and enjoy. Come see all this home has to offer. Call to make a showing appointment today.